In this short video, we're going to do x cubed minus 4x plus 1 over x minus 2. This is my second long division video, and this one's interesting because there's no x squared in there. So it's really crucial when you do this that clearly when I have a cubic and I divide it by a linear function, i.e. a degree 3 polynomial divided by a degree 1 polynomial, the answer is going to be a quadratic. It's going to be a degree 2 polynomial. So it's crucial that you have all of the columns represented. So you'll notice that x squared is missing. So you must have a 0x squared column, and that's really the trick to this problem. Now, so once we've got a 0x squared, we're ready to go. So x into x cubed goes 1x squared time, and there you can see I needed that x squared column. Multiply the x squared by the x minus 2 to give me an x cubed minus 2x squared. I like to put a bracket round it as it helps with the negatives. Subtract to find the remainder. So x cubed minus x cubed is 0. I know I've done it right because that's worked. 0x squared minus 2x squared is 0x squared plus 2x squared, giving me the 2x squared there. Bring down the minus 4x. Then I do x's into 2x squared, which goes 2x times. 2x times x minus 2 is 2x squared minus a 4x. Subtract that. 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. Minus 4x minus 4x is minus 4x. Add 4x. Clearly that is another 0. So now I have to bring down the 1. And in this case, we've actually got x doesn't go into 1, so my remainder is actually 1. So we had no constant term in this. So interestingly, this was a plus 0 because here we had a 0. The x's cancels as well, which is a neat thing to see. So in the end, we've finished our long division. And remember, there are two ways we can write this. We can write it as the original polynomial, x cubed minus 4x plus 1. Over the divisor, x minus 2 equals the quotient, which in this case is x squared plus 2x, plus the remainder 1, which still needs to be divided by x minus 2. Now that form is really useful if you're doing integration or finding the oblique asymptotes of this polynomial if you're trying to sketch it. So that form is really useful. If you multiply everything by x minus 2, you get x cubed minus 4x plus 1 equals the divisor, x minus 2, times the quotient, x squared plus 2x, plus the remainder 1. And that form is also a really useful form to write it in if you're doing the remainder theorem or factor theorem. So both forms are important. Thank you very much for watching. If this was a little bit too advanced and you need to watch a video showing the steps more of long division, I've made a long division 1 video, so please watch that, or you can watch some of my other videos. Have a great day.